In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to message clients in ClickUp directly from a task using comments and at mentions. By the end, you'll know exactly how to keep every client conversation organized in one place, tied to the work it's about, and easy to find later. Start by opening your ClickUp workspace. Head to clickup.com and sign in. Your workspace is the central hub for projects, tasks, and communication, so make sure you're in the correct one if you manage multiple accounts. If you switch between teams, double check the workspace name before you continue so everything you do stays in the right environment. Next, select the right project. In the left sidebar, look for the space or project that matches the client you want to reach. If you have a long list, use the search bar at the top and type the client or project name to jump straight there. Opening the correct project keeps you in context and prevents messages from landing in the wrong place. Inside that project, open the relevant task. Find the list that contains the work you want to discuss, such as design items, development tasks, or feedback. Then locate the specific task that matches your topic and open the task view. This detailed view keeps all files, checklists, and conversations together. Now use the comment section to message your client. In the task view, look for the comment area, usually at the bottom or on the right. This is where you capture the entire conversation related to that task instead of scattering updates across emails. Type your message clearly and specifically, like asking which images should be used on a homepage or sharing that you finished a draft with a link to the file. If helpful, attach screenshots or documents so everything is accessible from the task. To make sure your client actually sees it, tag them. Type the @ symbol, start entering their name, and select the correct person from the suggestions. Tagging sends a notification and ties your message to their profile, so they know exactly where to respond. This reduces back and forth and keeps feedback in context. Keep the conversation focused and helpful. Use comments to ask questions, share status updates with simple percentages or milestones, and confirm decisions or deadlines with specific dates. Keeping every message tied to the task makes it easy to review the history and understand how choices were made. Finally, use this method across all your projects. Follow the same path: workspace to space, or project to list to task. Then comment and mention the right people. Over time, you'll keep client conversations organized, cut down on email, and keep everyone aligned on what's happening and what's been decided. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.